Okay, I'm just going to go utilities options. You can see that I've got my grid and ruler set to 10 pixel major spacings with a subdivision of 1 pixel. I always find it best to work in pixels when you're creating web design. That way everything is in whole pixels and you don't get a problem. I've got windows, and you probably might not be able to see this, but the snap to grid is on. Okay, so I've got my line width set to none. I prefer to work without lines, create the lines myself if I need them, and I'll show you how. So we're going to make a tab here, aren't we? Just a quick one out to make a very simple tab. Drag out a rectangle, no lines. I'm going to give this rounded corners. Just going to adjust it slightly. So that's what we've got there now, a nice rounded corner, but because it's a tab you only want the rounded corners on the top, so the way to do that is just to create a rectangle underneath that. Select the two, arrange, combine shapes, subtract shapes. There you have a rounded corner tab. Now the gentleman on the forums requested that he wanted one with a border, but he was getting the border not only around the top but around the bottom as well, and he didn't want that around the bottom. So how do you do that? Select the one you've got, Control K to clone it. I'm going to make that yellow so you can see it. There it is, yellow. I'm going to put that to back. I've still got the yellow one selected. It's now put to the back. I'm going to select the contour tool. I'm just going to drag out. It's got the 3.4 pixels. I only want a 2 pixel border, so just type in 2 there and click that, and then click this inset path. The inset path actually just makes it one shape rather than three or four different shapes. Just to show you what the shape looks like, I'll move it down there so you can see that. Control on, just let me undo that. Really give it a more meaningful colour. Yellow looks better for the tutorial. So now you've got the same situation as before. If you've used a line, you've got this underneath here as well. If you hit the shape editor tool, just drag select, so you've selected these two nodes. Then with the arrow key, press once, twice, and that just picks it up 2 pixels. You can then see you've now got a tab with a border and no border down the bottom. You can also then, if you want, just select those nodes on the 2 objects, and then holding down the shift key you can resize that any way you want, or if you want to make the tab deeper you can resize it that way. Anyway, I hope that helped. Bye.